Hey reseller besties, I am back with another What Sold. If you are new here, I am Stephanie with Three Queens Resale. I'm a full-time reseller selling on Depop, Macari, Poshmark, and eBay. And let's get into what sold on Monday. First up, we're going to start with these metallic silver UGG boots. These are a size 6. They have been listed for 325 days, and yesterday I took an offer for 35 on them because why, we are letting the things go. And so yeah, out the door, these great UGG boots. They did have like a little wear on the sides, but other than that, really good condition, and they were a Goodwill Bins pickup. Next up is a brand that is new to me this year, well, in 2025, to shop and to find on resale, and that is Quince. Quince is I'm pretty sure it's just online. I don't think they have a store, but they have women's, men's, maternity, kids, housewares, um, and it's like a elevated but affordable luxury brand. But this is a knit maternity jumpsuit, size medium, and it has been listed for 49 days. It sold on Macari for $28. So Goodwill Bins pickup. So that is an amazing flip. So look for Quince items, that brand. Let's see if I can show you the tag. Tag. It's just Quince, and I don't think it's been around a super long time. So, but their cashmere sweaters, which I got one for Christmas, and their denim jeans, which I also got for Christmas, are amazing. And so check that brand out. Um, be on the lookout for. This next one is a Disney Lilo and Stitch cardigan sweater. It was also a Ben's pickup. It was in terrible shape. It took quite a bit of like sweater shaving, which we know I hate. So I'm trying to avoid that moving forward. But this sold in 50 days for $24 on Poshmark. So not bad for $2 investment. And oh, one more thing. We have this one. This one is the long haul. This is the brand Oakley. And this is just a knit like sweater coat, full zip. It has pockets. I picked it up at the bins, and it has been listed for 1,117 days. So we finally end up letting it go for 65% off. So it sold for $13.50. So example of me letting it go. But yes, this was a Ben's pickup as well. I would not, and this might have been back in the days I was going on feelings and vibes and not looking up comps. But this is what we are avoiding in 2026 are those long haul days. We have flipped over to a fast nickel approach. So we want to try to move things in 30 days or less, but definitely within 90 days or less. So, new inventory coming in is kind of built for that strategy. Let me know in the comments down below what changes you're making in your reselling business, and I will see you in the next one.